Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, so far we have learned Mukta and Kanna sounds in Gurmukhi. In this video we will learn Sihari sounds in Gurmukhi. Before learning Sihari sound words, let's revise what we have learned in the first video. We have learned Sihari has symbol like this, and Sihari makes sound of A as in sit or hit, and this is a Punjabi word for Sihari, which is tiyar. Tiyar means ready. Let's learn more words of Sihari. The first word we will learn here is din. Din means day. To read this word, we will say Daddenu Sihari de Nanna Mukta na. Din. You can repeat after me. Din. Let's check out next word. The next Sihari word is mill. Mill means meat. To read this word, we can say Mammenu Sihari me Lalla Mukta la. Mill. You can repeat after me. Mill. Let's move to the next word. The next word is lick. In English, lick means right. To read this word, we can say Lallenu Sihari le Khakha Mukta kha. Lick. You can repeat after me. Lick. Let's check out next word. The next word is dil. Dil means heart. And to read this word, we can say Daddenu Sihari di Lalla Mukta la dil. You can repeat after me. Dil. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Lea. Lea means bring. And to read this word, we can say Lallenu Sihari le Adenu Kanna a. Lea. You can repeat after me. Lea. Let's move to the next word. The next word is gin. Gin means count. To read this word, we can say Gaggenu Sihari ge Rana Muktana gin. Notice Rana has a nasal sound here. Gin. You can repeat after me. Gin. Let's move to the next word. The next word is tiyar. Tiyar means ready. And to read this word, we can say Tattenu Sihari ti Adenu Kanna a Rara Mukta ra. Tiyar. You can repeat after me. Tiyar. Let's check out next word. The next word is inam. Inam means prize. And to read this word, we can say Idinu Sihari I Nannenu Kanna na Mama Mukta ma. Inam. You can repeat after me. Inam. Let's move to the next word. The next word is kitab. Kitab means book. And to read this word, we can say Kakkenu Sihari ki Tattenu Kanna ta Babba Mukta ba. Kitab. You can repeat after me. Kitab. Let's check out next word. The next word is kisan. Kisan means farmer. To read this word, we can say kakke nu sihari ki, sasse nu kanna sa, nanna mukta na. Kisan. Kisan. You can repeat after me. Kisan. Let's check out next word. The next word is mirch. Mirch. Mirch means chili. And to read this word, we can say mamme nu sihari mi, rara mukta ra, chacha mukta cha. Mirch. Mirch. You can repeat after me. Mirch. Let's check out next word. The next word is hiran. Hiran. Hiran means deer. And to read this word, we can say hahinu sihari hi, rara mukta ra, nanna mukta na. Hiran. Hiran. You can repeat after me. Hiran. Let's move to the next word. The next word is pyar. Pyar. Pyar means love. And to read this word, we can say pappenu sihari pi, adenu kanna a, rara mukta ra. Pyar. Pyar. You can repeat after me. Pyar. Let's move to the next word. The next word is gyan. Gyan. Gyan means knowledge. And to read this word, we can say gaggenu sihari gi, adenu kanna a, nanna mukta na. Gyan. Gyan. You can repeat after me. Gyan. Let's move to the next word. The next word is neher. Neher. Neher means canal. And to read this word, we can say nanna mukta na, hahinu sihari he, rara mukta ra. Neher. Neher. You can repeat after me. Neher.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.